Hello, everyone. In this video, we will introduce stream matching. We're going to have three stream matching algorithms, and one is the brute force, and the other one is the Boyer-Moore, and this one more is Knuth, Morris, and Pratt algorithm. So let's look at the brute force, and this is the simplest one. So how we find a substring in a text. Now, substring is called a pattern. And the entire text, we're going to see if this pattern is in the text. So this is the pattern matching. So this is also stream matching. So this is called stream matching. In Python, you can use the function here. So for the stream pattern in text, so that's the function. You're going to test if a pattern is in the text. And you can also use the text.findPattern function to return the index of the first matching of the pattern in the text. Stream matching is very often used. So there's a lot of study, a lot of algorithm discovered on this subject. So what we do, it's a simple algorithm. The brute force algorithm is to look at this pattern from the very beginning of the text, see if this matches. If it doesn't match, slide next position, see if the pattern matches the next, starting from the next position, and then go on. So that's the brute force approach. So this, we're going to illustrate right here using this animation. So here's the text, this is the pattern. So here, align to the first position. So you test everything. So there's no match because the last one doesn't match. And now you slide next, no match. Slide next, and slide next. Slide next, slide next, 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 next. Well, it happens. We have a match here. So that's the brute force algorithm, and the complexity, it's obviously it's going to be order of m times n. So if we have this n is the size of the text and m is the size of the pattern, so that's, you have to, in the worst case, it's order of m times n time. In the next video, we will present the Boyer-Moore algorithm. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next video.